Hey everybody, this is the dashboard, and this is Car Show Cam. And this time we're coming to you from the Memorial Day Rod Run for Kids at the Callahan United Methodist Church. And this was an awesome show. It was a great show. They had, I think they said 170 something cars at this car show, which is amazing because it was on a little tiny lot. I don't know where they had them, but they had them in there and they were packed 2 and 3 deep. So anyway, here's some of the video. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
Damn.
Hey you, yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.